precipitation patterns and an increase in extreme weather events. On Wednesday, August 24, heavy rains hit Mie and Gifu prefectures. It rained for about 2 hours, sometimes turning into a thunderstorm and hail. In some areas, rainfall was about 140 millimeters per square meter. In the cities of Yokkaichi and Gifu, a number of roads and streets were flooded. The incident caused numerous traffic jams. Water also seeped into the first floors and basements of houses. Fortunately, there were no casualties.